In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a voice fade out in BandLab. First, open your web browser and head to bandlab.com. If you're not already signed in, look for the login button near the top of the page and click it. On the sign-in screen, choose the option to continue with Google. Select your Google account from the list and confirm to continue. Once you're signed in, you'll land back in BandLab. From here, go to your library. This is where all your projects live. Find the project you want to work on and open it. If you've got multiple versions, just pick the most recent one you want to edit. Next, click on Studio. And this opens the BandLab workspace where you can see your tracks and regions laid out on the timeline. Locate the voice track you want to fade out and click it to select it. You'll see the region highlighted when it's selected. With the track selected, open the editor. This gives you a closer look and access to clip-level tools that make fades quick and precise. Now move to the end of the voice region where you want the fade out to start. To create the fade, hover your mouse near the top right corner of the region until you see a small handle appear. Click and drag that handle to the left. The farther you drag, the longer and smoother the fade out will be. If you need a fade in on the same clip, there's a similar handle on the top left corner, but for a fade out, we'll focus on the top right. You can press play to audition the result and make sure the fade feels natural with your music. If the fade drops off too quickly, simply drag the handle a bit farther left to lengthen it. If it's too long and the voice disappears late, drag the handle back toward the edge to shorten it. A couple of quick tips while you adjust. Zoom in on the end of the region if you want finer control. Keeping an eye on the waveform helps you align the fade with the last word or syllable. Aim for a fade that complements the tempo and vibe of your track. Often 1 to 3 seconds works well for vocals, but trust your ears. And remember, you're affecting just this clip, not the entire track volume, which is great for precise edits. When you're happy with the fade out, that's it. Your voice will now smoothly disappear at the end of the track. Save your project and you're ready to share or continue mixing.